In this video, we will see how we can import a data or a table from web directly into your spreadsheet. So I have this Wikipedia page. It shows the list of states by employment rate. So these are the country names, which are the sovereign states, and these are the unemployment rates. So as you can see, if I want this data into my spreadsheet, I can either easily copy it from here, Ctrl+C, and I can directly paste it here, Ctrl+V. This is the output, but the problem with this data is that it is not dynamic, which means if this table change in future, if some country goes above, this spreadsheet will not change dynamically. To make it dynamic, we can directly copy it from the link of this web page, and as this table changes, the table in my spreadsheet will also change. Now let's remove this. To import data by using a link, we can use the import HTML function. So if I use =import HTML, as you can see, import HTML. Now you have to provide it the URL. So as you can see, you have to provide it the URL, then the query and the index. Now let's provide the URL. So this is the URL. This is my web page. If I copy this URL, Ctrl+C, then I have to paste it here in double quotes. I have to use double quotes, Ctrl+V. Now the query is that I want it in form of a table. So I have to use table with double queries, table, and then the index represents which table you want. So as you can see, this page has this table, and if I go down, it has this second table. So if I want this first table, I will use 1 and complete this code. Now as you can see, it is loading and the data is here. And as you can see, if I use control down arrow, these are 224 total rows, and this data is dynamic. So whenever this table changes, my spreadsheet also changes. Now if I use the second, if I use import HTML, provide the URL, use table. Now let's use 2, press enter. This is the second table, which is this table. This is how you can directly import the tables from your web page to your Google spreadsheet. Now if I change this formula, let's say I copy this formula and let's say I paste it here and change this table into list. It will give me the list present in this web page. Now let's press enter. Now as you can see, this is the list present in this web page. So if I go up, this is the list. It has this list, OC, CD, references and external links. So the list is this, and it is showing me the context of this table. So this is how you can import anything from this web page. If you want context, if you want a table, you can directly import table using table in the formula. So you can change it to table, and I want the first table, so press enter, it converts into a table, and it is a dynamic table, as you know. This is how you can import into your spreadsheet from a web page. Now we will move to the next video. Thank you.